simple errors students make on developing their project with a lot of these Verita IDE applications. So, hello everyone, my name is Collins from City Technologies, and today I'll be showing you how to correct project or application startup page. When you're developing your applications on Java Netbeans, sometimes you make mistakes, or sometimes after developing your classes, after creating all the classes and developing the pages and all the functionalities, so you tend to, when you try to run the project, you see that it's running from a page that is not supposed to be the first page. For instance, maybe your project or your application is supposed to start from the login page. So you try to run the project, you see that it bypassed the login page to start from the main page, which is not accurate. So by that, it defaults your login page. So what you're going to do is to correct this problem, because the problem is actually from when you were creating your project, when you were creating the Java class. You actually, like for instance, if I want to create a new Java class, so you actually check the create main method. So you are not supposed to check the create main method when you are creating the Java class. You are supposed to uncheck the main method, because if you check the main method, you see that all of your classes will have a main method. You see this one that has a green arrow by the side signifies that it's a main method. So which means that when the program is about to run, it's going to run from the main method, and you're supposed to declare only your landing page, the first page of your application, to be the main method. But if all of them were declared main method, then the program will get confused on which one to start with. Then it will pick the nearest one to the memory and start with that one. So for instance, now I try to run this project. So mine is accurate because I corrected it. So this is the page that it's supposed to run from. But if yours is not running from the page it's supposed to run from, you see that my reception is a main method as well, which is not supposed to be. So what I'm going to do to correct this problem is open the source code, go to where you see this line of code, public static void main string arguments. So you delete the main. You delete the main, then you can type in child, or you can declare any other object. So I'm going to use child. You type in child there and you save. There wouldn't be any error. Yeah, that's corrected. So I have to correct this one also. Correct all the pages that has main method and leave only one main method, which is where the program is going to start from. So this one I'm going to type child as well and save. So now all my pages are just simple Java class now. So the only main method I have is the account select, which is this one. This is where I want my program to start running from. This is where I want my application to start from, so that user can select, are you admin, or are you a doctor, are you a receptionist. You have to select your account here and you have to log in. So that is how to correct that problem, so your program can be able to start from the accurate page, so it wouldn't bypass the login page. So if I run this program right now, so that's the program. You can see the program here. So that's it. So this is my program, this is my application, which is a hospital management system. So it has to start from this page, as I have commanded it to start, because if you declared all your classes main method, then it's going to maybe bypass this page and start from the login page or start from the main page itself, which is a security problem. So now, once this program start from here, the user can now be able to select, are you an admin? You can select the admin, this thing here. So then the admin can log in. If you try to put wrong details, it will tell you invalid details unless you put the correct detail. So this is the admin portal. So admin can do a lot of things, and admin can add patients to the system, and admin can as well view patients. Then admin can add doctors as well. So these are some of the things that's for my system. So basically that's how you correct this problem, and you get your program to run from where you want it to run from. Thank you very much for watching this video. If it's helpful to you, I know it's not going to be helpful to everyone. It's just a simple error that you can correct anytime. But if it's helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get much more tutorials that are coming up. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to develop a full functional hospital management system, which is going to be quite interesting, and there are many more projects that are coming up on board. So do subscribe so you can get latest updates, and you can get notifications on whenever we upload content on our YouTube channel and every other platform. Do share this video, and do leave your comment down below and let me know what you would want to see next, and give me your suggestions. And I'll see you next time.